back from Downpatrick, stopping off at St. John's Point. Out all day bird watching and the crack was good. Stopped off at Strangford Lough early in the morning. Drove through Shrigley taking pictures and on to Killaloe. Stopped off for Sunday papers in the Lacale district just before Coney Island. On and on over the hill to Ardglass in the jam jar. Autumn sunshine magnificent and all shining through. Stop off at Ardglass for a couple of jars of mussels and some potted herrings in case we get famished before dinner. And on over the hill and the crack is good, heading towards Coney Island. Now look at the side of your face as the sunlight comes streaming through the window in the autumn sunshine. All the time going to Coney Island, I'm thinking, wouldn't it be great